Hey guys, it's that time again. Oh my gosh, it is time to color my gray hair. Oh my goodness, I have so much gray hair. And my hair grows so fast, which I know seems like a good problem to have, but when you're having to do this all the time, it's not so great. I touch up my hair like every 10 days. So I love the Madison Reed products because first of all, they're made in Italy. It's such a great product. It leaves my hair shiny and soft. I get so many compliments on my hair color. And what I love about this Madison Reed product that I'm gonna show you that I'm using today is it is a subscription and it comes delivered to your door. So you're never going to run out of hair color for those last minute touch-ups. So that's amazing. And it makes my hair so shiny and it feels so soft. No wonder it is called, the best hair color ever. I had a consultation, which you guys can have, with a professional colorist who told me virtually which color that I needed to get, which is amazing. I look so professional today. Yes. Squeezing this into here. Empty this whole tube. First, it comes with a little barrier cream. If you're like me, my skin stains a lot. I get a lot of staining around my skin. So putting this little barrier cream, oops, I look at my hair, helps to prevent your skin from staining. So that's always good to do there. That way also it allows me to get really close to my skin so that I make sure I get every little bit of the gray hair down to my scalp. I like to start in the middle here and brush it in. Super easy. Don't forget the gloves. Madison Reed comes in over 55 multi-dimensional shades for all types of hair color and texture. So there's something for everyone. I also absolutely love that it is cruelty-free, which is really important. And it's ammonia-free, and it's packed with keratin, argan oil, ginseng root, which is what creates the shine and softness, which I really love. See, no wonder it is really the best hair color ever. I also suffer from itching, which I don't know if any of you ever get that, where my scalp will itch me like crazy. And because this is all natural, I don't get the itching with this, which I absolutely appreciate beyond belief. Madison Reed products are also free of PPD, ammonia, parabens, gluten, titanium dioxide, so many of these words I can't even pronounce, which is why I don't want them on my body. So it's important you know what you're putting on your scalp. I think it's really important for my daughters to know that I do this and they can do this at home too, because nowadays everything's so easy for these kids. Like, it's great that everything is so convenient, but there's times you can't get to the salon. There's times you can't go to get your nails done too. You need to be able to know how to do these things. And it's actually so easy, which is why I like to do this at home to save time. And obviously you save money too. The Madison Reed hair color kit is 100% gray coverage. So you know that once you get this on, you are going to be saying goodbye to those grays and having your confidence back, because nothing can kill your confidence like walking around with this gray hair, let me tell you. Oh my God, there's so much of it. Let me tell you, this is really a little situation over here. I'm going to add this color reviving gloss to the ends of my hair. I'm gonna leave it on while my hair color is settling in. I mean, looks pretty easy, right?